How to get a dream job in the music industry? Well, I sat down with Michael Villacorta, marketing manager at Sean Healy Presents, to find out. Here's some gems for you.
All right, so what is one key attribute that you want to see in an intern while they are interning?
Yeah, one key attribute that I love to see from interns when they are interning is reliability. Somebody that we can look to where we ask them, hey, can you make a marketing plan? And they get the job done. If we ask them, hey, can you reach out to a band? They're able to do that on a timely order. We know that they're doing the work. We don't have to follow up and constantly ask them, hey, can you get this done? Can you get this done? They're there, they understand it, and they get the job done. So somebody who is reliable.
So what is one thing that you don't want to see in an intern when they're interning?
One thing that we don't want to see in an intern when they are interning is them being dishonest with us, them sort of lying about what they're able to do. If I ask you if you can make a flyer for us or reformat a flyer and you have no experience with Photoshop, what I want to hear is, hey, Mike, I don't really know how to do that, but are you able to show me? Instead of kind of saying, yeah, I got it. And then at the end of the day, it's an unfinished work or it's kind of half finished because you were kind of lying about the work that you're able to do.
What are some of the things that would lead an intern to getting hired after the internship?
Something that would lead an intern to getting hired after an internship would be somebody who exudes interest in music, concerts in general, somebody who is asking questions about the concert business, really trying to make it a career for themselves and understand everything about music. So somebody who shows passion about the work that they're doing, not an intern who is just here just to write it down as a credit for their classes, but somebody who is constantly asking us and learning and really showing that this is something that they are interested in. So somebody with that trait is more likely to get hired after an internship than somebody who is kind of just there bored throughout the whole day.
So that's pretty much it, you guys. My name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn their art into a more successful business. Be sure to like and subscribe and to check out the next video. Peace.